tricky, man. Front was going out of the grip there. Damn. Nice, just with the throttle, man, easy. Rolling it smoothly, man. In the second gear, just rolling smooth. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! What the? Wait, what the hell was this? Shit. Yeah, held down the gas a little too long. Hey. Nah, man, I need to slow down here much more. Ay. Like that. That way. Yeah. Keep the momentum going. Oi. Did we touch the tires? Hard to tell. The clipping point, man, is there. Oh yeah. Ay. Fuck. Yeah, how can we work on this transition better? Fucking hell. this is slippery as hell. On the brake there, yeah. Nah, man, a little too much. I fucking got dizzy as well. Gripped up a little bit. Nah, this is fucking also slippery as shit. Fucking hell. Best transition, damn. Here on the brakes a little, yeah. Let's go there. Nice. We are fucking changing. Yeah. Now this is something. Are they going back? I don't know. Yeah, they are therefore going back. Yeah. Damn. Oh damn, he was rolling behind us. Shit. What the hell is that? ABS light. Fucking now there is definitely no ABS for us. What the hell happened? Damn, this was supposed to be a test before we put on eccentric wishbone bushings and that stuff, to see how we steer. There is one plus, I don't have to turn the traction off anymore. Oh. They fixed it itself, man. Yeah, that's what I like. Damn, let me get used to this again. Opa! Yeah, we do have ABS, we do have ABS. Damn diesel fucking E46 drift car, man. Fucking hell, damn, that shit is... Can we see how he doing? Can we? Just take a look. He has way more grip than us. Damn, he's going on the outside. Fuck. He messed up this. Yeah. That's how you do. That's how you do. Yeah. Can we go again? Let him through. Yeah, he going all the way from here. Opa, nice. Aye. Fucking let you roll. Damn. Это у нас аппаратура, бля. Yeah, that's just too slippery. That's a car. I mean, show me, man. I mean, he did take off his exhaust or something. Yeah, man. He goes all 100% and don't even know the state of the track, you know. First time, go check it out, explore the map. Second time, yeah, you can roll. You really need to push the gas that much. Let's go. It's drying fucking up. It's drying up, man. Nah, it's fucking dried up. It's dried up big time. Yeah. Nice. let's go check him out as well. Third time, man. Ah, nice, nice. Ay, ay, ay. This dude's fucking re-rolling, man. Damn, damn. Nah, we let him go, man. Damn! Ay, ay. Fucking hell, nice, nice. We move, we go home. Yeah.